Yo, welcome my people, you done here boy Jnel. Watching us, so this is Trick Question episode 1 is me to 3, so you can watch all of them in one so you don't have to click for the next video. You know what I mean? So one thing I want to do guys, I like the video, you see me? Because for the past couple of months we have been declining in views because we're not getting enough likes, you know what I mean? So I wanted to take the opportunity, anytime a video drop, just make sure you like it as soon as it starts. Now, let's continue watching episode 1 to 3 of Trick Question. Big up on yourself. You don't know your boy Jnel. And as usual, I'm out. Spell top.
Top?
Yeah. Top.
I want you to squeeze your blood throat.
Yeah, what people say down there, boy Jnel. Watch out now, I know say a long time. Hold on. I know say yo, a long time I no see me. You get to me and say, and what they have for good now, you get to me and say, when I disappear again. So watch out now, right now they are Linstead with episode 1 of the questions. Right now I'm excited. You understand? I know say no one cuss me off still, you know. I know say no one done me, you know. So watch out now, without no further ado, can be excitement. You understand? I Linstead with it on episode 1 of Trick Question. So watch out now, I know so when I reach yesterday in the video. You get to me and say, and I know you click the like button. I know you click the like, watch out now. How long you see me? About a year, no? So click the like button, man. If you're not glad to see Jnel, click the like button, man. Jeez, I'm Linstead today, you know. I remember, you know, left in the commenting if you want me to come a town near you, leave it in the comment, and the general will go forward. So watch out now. I don't want to talk too long. Without further ado, we're going to start the show right now. You see me? Yeah, I want to go now. Let me see what.
Like and subscribe, you see me?
That is it. My general, so the first thing you know, you give me a name.
A bad Korean, you know. Kentucky boss.
Bad Korean.
Yeah, bad Korean.
How you get that name there?
Well, you know, say, I bleaching cause it and show me the artist and the man, them see me and I say, why, you know, if you ever Jamaican, so I succumb the man give me in Korean over Portmore.
One hundred people, him say my artist, you know, want you drop something for people them so they can remember, you know.
Right, and now I have a tune I say, Jamaican Donald Trump. What my name? Jamaican Donald Trump. I pay a girl the Korean a thump. Pay a new fashion girls a ride off my pump. Money in a bungalow, we give them in a clump. Money get higher than the Riverton dump. Jamaican Donald Trump. What my name? Jamaican Donald Trump. Say gyal a sign, dollar sign. Say gyal a sign, dollar sign. She just tattoo me name upon the 2 Merca breasts. Signature upon the hairy fishiness. One Korea, the world greatest. I am the DJ where no boy can't test. In the business we bad than the rest. Jamaican Donald Trump.
Catty.
Roomy. Don't know your boy Jaden, you see me? Jaden 56 on TikTok.
Stone J.
Huh?
Stone J.
Stone J?
Yeah, Stone J.
Raymond Weber.
Raymond?
Weber.
No, you media, social media, man, you know. Give people my name.
Yeah, man, I know say I want Kirkland Nation, man. For the TikTok, Instagram, everywhere. Kirkland Nation. That's a code.
Azar.
Say again? Azar?
Yeah.
Well, my name is Fitzroy Nugent, you know.
Fitzroy.
Nugent.
Nugent.
Yeah.
Darren Taylor.
What can fill up a room but take up no space?
Mr. Bookshelf.
Eh?
Bookshelf.
Bookshelf?
Library.
What can fill a room but take up no space?
Smoke.
Smoke.
Yeah.
What can fill a room but take up no space?
Ask him first.
Pot full of room, but take up no space.
Smoke.
Smoke.
Space. Ear.
Here?
Yeah.
That can work. That can work. People, remember again, leave it in the comments. Let me know what you think, alright? Here. Right? Here, right? Yeah. Here, right? Here? Here. What can fill up a room but take up no space?
Think. Aita.
I can fill a room without air.
What can fill up a room but take up no space? What can fill up a room but take up no space? A carpet. A carpet. Carpet? Yeah. How you get that? Because when I put the carpet in the room, it take up a space. And where nothing in there, it take up a space. Yeah. The carpet? Yeah. Think about it, man. Scratch your head and think about it. Let me scratch it harder, man. And faster.
Yeah.
When does 11 plus 3 equal 2?
11 plus 3 equal to.
When 11 plus 3 equal 2?
Teacher, that kind of tough, you know.
I'm not afraid to start that. I know what said, I'm not afraid to start that.
When does 11 plus 3 equal to?
Yeah.
That don't make sense to me.
Does 11 plus
Yeah.
3
Equal 2. When does 11 plus 3 equal 2?
When does 11 plus 3 equal 2? Let me see. Take away 9 from it.
Eh?
Take away 9 from it.
When does 11 plus 3, right?
Yeah.
Equal to?
When does 11 plus 3 equal 2?
Damn, that's a good one. When it's 1 and 1.
Huh?
1 and 1.
When it's 1 and 1?
Yeah, 1 and 1, right?
When does 11 plus 3 equal 2?
11 plus 3 equal to 11, 12, 13, 14, plus 2, 14, 15, 16. 17. 11 plus 2, 11 plus 3,
Yeah, when does 11 plus 3 equal 2?
11, 12, 13, 14. 14 plus 2, 14, 15, 16. That's the answer.
That's the answer.
11 plus 3 equal 2. You know, so I ain't got a maths class though.
You never got
Maths class and I keep me in Delta door.
Brother, where you come from? Brother, I don't like your mentality. You have the wrong meds, bad man. And that's why the brownie now stop to get feed that, brother. Move and go.
When does 11 plus 3 equal 2?
11 plus 3. I really, I can't.
Think about it. When does 11 plus 3 equals to 2? When does 11 plus 3 equal 2?
11 plus equal plus 3.
When does 11 plus 3 equal 2?
What again?
When does 11 plus 3 equals 2?
I don't know about the party. I don't know the party.
You know the party?
No.
So I'm going to get the answer.
Yeah.
The answer up on the clock, man.
On the clock?
Yeah, man. You don't get it?
No, I'm still like it.
Alright, so 11 o'clock on the clock, right?
Oh, 11.
Plus 3.
12. What? 12.
No. Alright, look at listen again, you know. 11 o'clock on the clock, right? Plus 3. What time you gone?
What time I gone?
Yeah.
5:40 something.
God have mercy upon us.
Alright, may I explain so you can get it now. Alright, watch out now.
Explain to me.
Alright, may I explain to you. So, right? So, we have a clock. And 11 o'clock on the clock. You put 3 hours on 11 o'clock on the clock. How much you going to get?
Still not get it.
Still not get it. Alright, you give up on that one?
Yeah.
On the clock, man.
That's simple. Yeah.
Alright, next on my boss, right? Spell top.
T-O-P.
Top.
Top as in top or top?
Any one of them.
Top, T-O-P.
T-O-P top.
T.O.P.
Top? Yeah.
Spell top.
Like on top of something.
Spell top. I would say T-O-P, right?
Yeah.
T-O-P.
Spell top.
Top. T-O-P.
T.O.P.
Top?
Yeah. P-E-T. P-E-P-O-T.
P-O-T.
Yeah.
Spell top.
Top.
Yeah. Top. May I give you the spelling? T-O-P.
T-O-P.
Yeah. Top.
No P-O-T?
Eh?
No P-O-T?
What may I do? Say the word top 5 times fast.
Top.
T-O-P, T-O-P.
No, man, the word.
Top.
5 times fast.
5 times fast.
Yeah.
Top.
Tap.
Top.
Yeah, say the word top 3 times fast.
T-O-P.
No man, the word top.
Stop.
Say it 3 times fast.
Stop.
No, say it fast.
Stop.
3 times fast.
Stop.
What do you do at a green light?
Stop. No, drive.
Stop. No, drive. Easy. Can't green light say go.
Go.
Eh?
Go.
What do you do at a green light? Stop. You sure?
No. Oh, you get.
What do you do at a green light?
Top. No, go.
Go. What do you do at a green light?
Stop. Oh, green light? Oh, shucks. Go. Okay, it's tricky.
Yeah. Alright. So T-O-P at top, right? Alright, so the next thing I tell you to do now. Say the word top 3 times fast.
Top.
3 times.
Top.
No, 3.
Yes, I said 3 times.
3 times fast, yeah.
Top.
Yeah. 4 times fast.
Top.
What do you do at a green light?
Stop. No, stop.
Stop. At a green light.
Or go. Or
What to do at a green light?
Stop.
Go.
Yeah, peeps, and thanks for watching the next episode of The Questions. You get to me and say, you don't know episode 1, and what they are Linstead, you know what I mean? So, watch out without no further ado, I'm going to cut. When I done interview because I catch some more people. You get to me and say, but I do the intro before I forget because night I got job. You understand? So, I catch some more people. But General, what you doing? Everything good? Yeah. Hey, we don't have no new question, you know, say I cut, we are cut and thing.
Big up on yourself, man. Once more again, Linstead town, Zine. Yeah, man, and big up my mother, Judith Graham, Father Paul Graham, Romario Graham, Roger Graham, Bri. Hold on, put up, big up on yourself. Yeah, I'm out.
Yeah. So watch out the peeps. Remember to like the video. You get me, I say, as you can see, Linstead is a vibe. You understand? And your boy Jnel is back. So watch out. Thank you guys for watching. You don't know your boy Jnel again. Like the video, and I'm out. I can stick, but I'm not sticky. What am I?
I can stick, but not stick. Gear stick. What gear stick?
Welcome peeps, don't know your boy Jnel. Yo, watch out. I never get to do the intro for the video here, so I do the intro now at home. You see me, because I'm going to start editing right now. So today, on Monday, this video was shot on Saturday, you know what I mean? So I actually shoot the Linstead one Friday, and then shoot this one Saturday. So I'm going to upload it following Friday. You get me, I say, but the love and the support wanna show me, you understand? I really appreciate that. Yo, big up me and Danger, you understand? Big up me and Danger, you get me? And big up everybody who like the video, share, and a comment. Really appreciate it. Say boy Jnel is back. And people look out for the streets episodes during the week. You understand me? I try to do like something during the week and trick question per weekend. You know what I mean? Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. You understand? Wait. What we read to thank you guys for watching. The video just start. So watching now without further ado. You don't know me, I don't want to talk too long, I get the show going. You get to me? I say so. Yeah, Jnel. Come out of the shot now, bro. Bro, come out of the shot now. Make the video start now. Make the video start. Them a wait. Bro, the people them a wait, dog. Oh no, wait, don't it? Alright, I'm gone. Without further ado, I'm out.
I'm G, I don't know anything set in the first thing, just give me a name.
Oh, Naga, man. I'm here, man.
Winston.
Ready for it?
Where do you want to clear everything?
Anything, man.
Alright, Winston Pattison.
Joy.
Yeah.
Sajay.
J. Cool.
At Mondays. Yeah, man.
From them time there.
We there same way.
Melanie.
Bagger.
Yeah. And big up your store, man. The people them know where them can find it.
Big up Little Nuts. Right at Kellits, across from the taxi stand. Yeah. Check it out. Every little thing we have in there.
My name Maki, you know.
Maki?
Yes. Navado Okana.
Alex, 14.
Name is Louis.
Yeah.
Zeppelin Hills.
Shorty.
Yeah.
Oh, you get that name there.
Alright.
What has a neck, but no head?
Neck, but no head. Hold on, yo, I don't know that.
You say you don't know?
No, sir.
That has a neck but no head. Blouse and skirt, that one me get that wriggly already, you know.
Yeah.
Me get that wriggly already, you know. Neck and no head. Yeah. Blouse and skirt. Me give up.
Yeah?
Me give up, sir.
Already?
Yes, man, cause me just miss the answer. Yeah, cause me know you already, you know, but she come for me again and me come like me never pick up it right away.
What has a neck but no head?
What have a neck and no selfish. Selfish not no head. You know, selfish not the have neck and no head.
What have a neck and no head? I want neck and no head. Hold on. Chicken when you cut off the head. Chicken neck.
I don't know. Pencil.
What a neck, but no head. Buckle. Buckle, me say.
Buckle.
Yeah.
What has a neck but no head?
What is a neck?
What have a neck?
What have a neck?
But no head.
What have a neck? But no head. Neck. But no head. What have a neck and I have a head again? Neck. I don't remember any. You can't remember me.
We don't know. We don't know. Think about it, man. It's simple, man.
We don't know, man.
What has a neck but no head?
Neck but no head. Neck but no head. Well, you have turtleneck top. Yeah, I have neck but then I have my head.
No, that.
You say give up?
Yeah.
Shirt?
T-shirt.
T-shirt. Number one answer. Alright, so you want me to give you the answer then?
Yes, man.
Your T-shirt, man.
Yeah.
If you throw a red stone in the blue sea, what will it become?
Oh, it's gonna sink, man. It's gonna sink.
What would it become? Blue. A blue, me that's it. Because if red stone train a blue, see I must see that it come red or it come blue. But the blue.
You say blue?
Yes, man, a blue, me say. You don't believe so? What you say now?
You're wrong.
Me wrong.
You want to try again? If you throw a red stone in the blue sea, what will it become?
Red stone. White. Really? White.
White?
Yes.
How you get that?
Because I watch you see wash off it.
If you throw a red stone in the blue sea, what will it become? Yes. Baza! Man, a stone same way.
Yeah, no, alright, me see. Red stone in a blue sea. The pink stone.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
Red stone in a blue sea.
If you throw a red stone in the blue sea, what will it become?
I see a red stone, man.
Yes, sir.
See a red stone.
See a red stone?
Yeah, man. Red stone in a blue sea. Come a stone. Come a stone. It's a stone you throw in it, so it can't change. Stone can't change.
Stone can't change?
No.
What you say?
Stone can't change.
If you throw a red stone in the blue sea, what will it become?
Throw a red stone in the blue sea.
Yeah.
Now you see a red stone and come out and it will turn white.
If you throw a red stone in the blue sea, it'll turn black.
Black?
Black.
How you get that?
If the red go in the blue now going to change the red, it will turn dark.
Oh, so it's going to become black?
So it will become black.
You throw a red stone in the blue sea, what will it become?
Yeah.
What the stone become or the sea become?
If you throw a red stone in the blue sea, what will it become?
It not gonna change.
Not gonna change?
Red stone in a blue sea, it not gonna change.
I can't pass.
They say pass?
I don't know. Repeat back your question.
Listen again, you know. If you throw a red stone in the blue sea, what will it become?
Stone same way.
Stone same.
Can't change.
Alright, I'm gonna give the answer. Wet.
Stone are gonna get hard, dog, you know.
Yes, so I'm gonna give the answer.
Me get that one.
Just now remember though.
Yeah.
Stone have become wet.
Wash you see wash off red stone and it become white. Yeah man.
You want to give the answer?
Yes.
The answer is stone become wet. You just saw a stone?
Yeah.
You want me to give the answer?
Yeah.
Stone have become wet.
Joe. Yeah.
I can stick, but I'm not sticky. What am I?
I can stick, but I'm not sticky. Sticky, man. Sticky.
Aita. Sticky. Sticky. No much only a sticky in our book.
That don't make sense.
Me don't know, you know? No, sir.
I can stick, but I'm not sticky. What am I?
Not much gum.
When you think about gum, you think about sticky already. But I can stick, but I'm not sticky. What am I?
Tape.
Me no know.
I can stick, but I'm not sticky. What am I?
I can stick, but not sticky. I can stick, but not sticky. Pen. Pen.
I can stick, but I'm not sticky. What am I?
I can stick, but not stick. A gear stick. A gear stick.
I can stick, but I'm not sticky. Name?
What do you mean?
You give somebody a name, it go stick with them, but it's not sticky. Not necessarily sticky.
I can stick, but I'm not sticky. What am I? Stick, not sticky. Yes, sir. I will get the answer. Magnet.
Or stick or something, or rubber or something.
Listen again now, one more time now. I can stick, but I'm not sticky. What am I?
So, I don't know.
You say give up?
Yeah, man, give up, man.
A magnet, man. Remember, say it easy, you know.
I can stick, niggle. Niggle. I can stick, but not sticky. Niggle.
Yeah, that one I can work. I can stick, but I'm not sticky. What am I?
Magnet. Magnet. Blouse and skirt. Me give up here, man. Me don't know them. I must wrong back. Me don't know that
give up again?
Yes, man. Because me not get none.
So you say, I'm going to give you the answer.
Yeah, man.
No, a magnet.
Blouse cup. Go easy. You win me.
Easy.
You win me too.
I can stick, but I'm not sticky. What am I?
I can stick, but what?
But I'm not sticky.
But I'm not sticky. That's an eagle, you know?
It's an eagle.
No. Cocky. Sticky woman in iron hole. What you mean?
So I say,
cocky, Mr. Man.
I can stick, but I'm not sticky.
Yeah, man, a cocky man. Sticky woman in iron hole.
People.
Yeah. People are taxi me there running out of vibes. You see me? Yeah. Original at Mondays.
Yeah.
Alright.
A mother's child, a father's child, but yet no one's son. Who am I?
That's a Jackie.
What go on, peeps? You don't know your boy Jnel. Back at it again with the next episode of the questions. I watch you know, our town with it. Our ground, which is after 3. So watch you know, without further ado, episode 3. And we are gonna make a move now because we get a couple interviews to reach without shooting the intro yet. They get to me and say, so watch you know, without further ado, you know as always. Yeah, after 3 we there, no, man. I got it. Where am I go? That way, yeah? Alright, I'm gone. Alright, my G, you don't know what things set, you know. Give me a name.
You know, say boy Elder Skull, aka Dante.
Elder Skull?
Yeah.
How you get that Elder Skull?
You know, say I'm a school friend, them call me that come look older than them still.
Where's the bad bro, your name?
Sins.
Say again?
Sins.
Sins?
Yeah, man, Sins.
B2.
B2?
Yeah, B2.
Reds.
Little Emperor from Judgment Yard.
Yeah.
I have a song named Come My Love.
Oh, you're an artist too?
Yeah.
Run the song with me here, what go on?
The song now?
Yeah.
Hey, I want you come, my love, from streets or bars. Yo, I want you come, my love, soon. Come on soon. Since I met you, darling, my life has grown strong. So let's hold hands together. Yeah, yeah.
Alex. JH Race, man. One JH Race official.
Tell her what it mean, no, man.
Alright. JH are the initials for the name, isn't it? So we use the initials to promote my business. JH _words on both platforms, TikTok, Instagram, you know the code. Yeah.
What kind of business?
Fashion designing, man. You know, watch her, look what I go on. So it's over there. Alright, it's a good look.
Andrew.
Tried into light and darkness, bring forth the morning light, singing I want you come, my love. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Alright, yeah man, you don't know a Rasta in from in the trees, you know, you saw me down, you know everything go already.
Yeah man. And tell the people where you can find them and where you are selling them things.
Yeah man, you say once you come in the trees and thing, you know, once you come in the trees, you know, you go see me, I'm not hard to find anything, you understand?
Yeah.
My name's Star.
Star?
Yeah.
Although your best friends say I'm too young for you, no matter what they say or do, my love for you always growing strong. A long time in search, now that I've found cash now.
Yes, woo, where you go? Woo, woo,
woo, woo.
Scully Bad, artist name.
Artist name. Oh, say artist, I run something, man.
I feel the blessing of flow, I feel it. See me dog on the phone, Jack 3 mil. Big Benz blast off my car wheelie. Take off Nicki Minaj, just no easy. Enough time and I work and pray. When I work I faith. Now $1 million man I earn a day.
Yeah, mad.
Yeah man, a chunk star spy boss, you see it?
Yeah, you say have a tune can run?
Yeah man.
You what going on, man?
Hey, you see the boy them a rape people data. Sue me big disaster.
For every pitney a capture, to Father God you a go answer. Them coulda wrap up in a turban like Rasta. The road a fi block like Panther. Shouldn't promise her no sponsor. Shouldn't take a baby a lacta. The little girl future brighter and everybody see. Now you kill her and dash her in a bush a senti. When me see the picture them when me cousin they send me. I no movie but them scary. It a tape, spy bars no rape. Fully Gaza.
Marco.
Kang Magic.
Kang Magic. You say artist, you know, bro. You say, can you give them a song?
Believe in yourself all when you have fights. When I get cool and it cooler than ice. Big up yourself now, Jnel, you know what I think.
DJ. Andrew.
You know Vibes Cartel, right? You rate Vibes Cartel. You know the style of mouths that say, yo, what is on my mouth?
I'm out. Repeat. I'm out.
A nose.
No, God!
What you say?
A nose.
A nose?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, man.
You say, we know Vibes Cartel have a style, man. What is on my mouth?
I'm out.
You know Vibes Cartel, no?
Yes, I.
Rate Vibes Cartel.
Yeah, man, me rate Vibes Cartel on a level still. You understand?
Yeah.
I'm not going to tell you say every tune me rate fame.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
I will keep our thing positive, you know. You understand? Yes, I.
So you know Vibes Cartel style, man. Them always say, man, what is on my mouth?
Me don't know that one day, you know.
Oh, you don't know that?
No, me don't know that one day and thing.
What is on my mouth?
I'm out. I'm out.
Sure.
I'm out. I'm out.
You know about Vibes Cartel, though?
Yeah.
What is on my mouth?
Vibes Cartel.
Eh?
What is on your what?
What is on? You know about Vibes Cartel, man? He always have a slang going around the place, man. And him say, what is on my mouth?
No, we don't remember. We don't remember.
You don't remember?
We don't remember what him said was on my mouth.
Rate Vibes Cartel.
Rate him, man.
What is on my mouth?
Chin.
You know Vibes Cartel, though?
Yeah.
And you know him have a look style when him say, yo, what is on my mouth?
I'm out. That is it.
Sure.
Yeah, man.
What is on my mouth?
I'm out. I'm out.
Sure.
Yeah, man.
Why you so sure?
100% sure. And the teacher said that, you know.
What is on my mouth?
I'm out. What under your mouth? Chin. Chin. You see that trick me? You know what they do?
Eh?
What they under your mouth? No chin?
Okay. You rate the dog?
Oh.
What is on my mouth?
A chin.
You dog, I think about it, you know. Yes, you could have catch you.
Yeah, it could have, but you know, for a minute, you see me, I say, the slang so popular now, bro, it's like you can barely miss. If you miss, you don't miss that.
What is on my mouth?
Mike.
What is on my mouth?
What is on the beard?
I'm out.
Beard. What is on the
I'm out.
That makes sense.
What is on my mouth?
I'm out.
What is on my mouth?
I'm out.
Oh! Whoa! Whoa!
What is on my mouth?
Mike. Is that Mike?
You know Vibes Cartel?
Yeah, man.
What is on my mouth?
Mike, man.
Alright. Them are going good. Second one, right? Dave is 6 foot tall. You get what I say? Wear size 9 and work in a butcher shop. What does Dave wear?
I'm 6 foot tall, wear size 9, and work in a butcher shop.
Yeah, what does Dave wear?
In wear why some of them you think them for cover him up for
No man, Dave is 6 foot tall, right? Work in a butcher shop.
Yeah.
And wear size 9 shoes. Yeah. What does Dave wear?
Hey y'all, come look at this.
Wear 6 foot.
Where's that again? Say about the question.
Dave 6 foot tall, right? Work in a butcher shop, wear size 9 shoes. What does Dave wear?
How much Dave wear? 6'9". 200 pound.
Eh?
200 pound.
Ask my sister. Me know the answer now.
What you say?
No.
Dave 6 foot tall, right? Wear size 9 shoes and work in a butcher shop. What does Dave wear?
A size short.
Eh?
A short size. What does they would? A short size.
Short size?
What does
Listen again, you know. Dave 6 foot tall, right? Him wear size 9 shoes and him work in a butcher shop. What does Dave wear?
141. I'm wearing 14.
Eh?
14.
14?
Yeah.
How you get that?
The 9 and the 4. The 9 and the 5 is 14.
What you say? The 9 and the 5 are
14.
Yeah. Dave is 6 foot tall. Wear size 9 shoes and work in a butcher shop. What does Dave wear?
146 pound.
146?
Yeah.
How you get that?
I say I'm 6 foot tall.
Yeah.
Although I don't know how fat him is still.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wear size 9 shoes. What does Dave wear?
146 pound.
146?
Yeah.
Dave is 6 foot tall. Wear size 9 shoes and work in a butcher shop. What does Dave wear?
6 foot tall.
And wear size 9 shoes. What does Dave wear? Hey, what you say? Read it out, man.
I don't know if I'm right or wrong, you know. Yeah. 180 centimeter.
Well, we don't know because we just know say American and motor shop and then we just know him height. Yeah. So we don't know how much he would weigh.
What does Dave weigh?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
What does Dave weigh?
69 pound.
Eh?
69 pound.
Dave 6 foot tall, you know.
Yeah.
Wear size 9 shoes.
Yeah.
And work in a butcher shop. What does Dave weigh?
What does Dave weigh?
Yeah.
Boy, that one there hard.
That one there?
Yeah, man, that one the puzzling and thing, you know?
Yeah.
Me have to go figure out that one there and thing still.
Dave 6 foot tall, right? Wear size 9 shoes and work in a butcher shop. What does Dave weigh?
You never tell me Dave. You never tell me Dave.
Dave 6 foot tall, right? Wear size 9 shoes and work in a butcher shop. What does Dave weigh?
Shoes, slippers.
No, what does Dave weigh?
What? You never tell you that one there.
Eh?
You never tell you that one there.
Oh, no.
Does Dave weigh? I don't know that one there, no.
Yes, you don't know that one there.
You know that one there.
Meat.
Eh?
Meat.
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 Meat? Oh, he weigh meat. Oh, no.
What does he weigh?
Yeah.
Meat.
Meat.
A mother's child, a father's child,
Yeah.
but no one's son. Who am I?
Probably them neglect him, you know.
No. I'll do something.
Eh?
Probably them neglect him.
They say they neglect him.
Yeah.
Eh.
Mother's child, father's child, but no one's child.
No one's son.
No one's son.
Oh man, something wrong with that one, Neval.
Father's child, but no one's son. And I feel them beating them, add up him.
Oh, no.
mother's child, a father's child, but no one son. Who am I?
No, nobody. I don't know what I'm saying. Nobody.
A daughter. A mother's child, a father's child, but yet still no one son. Who am I?
A mother's child.
A father's child, but no one son. Who am I?
Who am I?
Eh?
Who am I? The girl's them man.
The girl's the mother?
Girl's them man.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Girls them man? Yeah. Oh, you get the answer then?
Because the mother
Mother
and the father did not care about him. Only the girls then.
Yeah.
So me check it out. The mother and father does not care for him. That just simple mean, you know.
Yeah.
That mean him and the girl. The girls them check for him. That mean the girls them man.
One son. No one son. No one son. No one son. Yo, I give up, father.
Yes, I give up.
Give up.
A mother's child, a father's child, but yes, still no one son. I don't even know that. I don't try to do maths and bro. I don't know. I'll be honest with that.
A mother's child, a father's child, but yet still no one son. Who am I?
Daughter.
Oh, sister.
Daughter.
Oh, daughter. yo, that was the tough, but me have a think. Look a bit. I'm getting my thought process in that. You see?
A mother's child, a father's child, but no one son. Who am I?
Single parent. Single parent.
A mother's child, a father's child, but yet no one son. Who am I?
That's a Jackie. That's a Jackie.
Jackie?
Yeah.
What you say?
Same thing, that's
a mother's child, a father's child, but no one son.
A Jackie. Jackie that, brother.
Who am I? You say a mother's child, a father's child, but no one son.
Yeah.
Who am I? The creator.
Eh?
The creator.
Creator? A mother's child, a father's child, but yet no one son. Who am I?
Child of God. Child of God.
Child of God? What you say?
A daughter.
Eh?
A daughter.
Daughter?
Yeah.
Repeat that.
A mother's child, a father's child, but yet no one son. Who am I?
The one up there, sir. The son up there, sir. Son, nice guy.
That don't make sense to me.
Yeah, peeps, and thanks for watching the next episode of the questions. And watching don't know say episode 3, and we are halfway. Say it no man 3. Jesus Christ. So watching halfway 3 never that lively, but you don't know me. I gotta try to see if I can put in some editing and make sure you see the video nice. You get to me and say so you can laugh and enjoy yourself. Well, you already laugh and enjoy yourself already still. You know what I mean? So watching a night a drop after 6. You get to me and say so watching you see the next stop, Spanish Town. Next stop, Spanish Town. Today is Friday. Video I go up Saturday. So which is Saturday now. Today we'll now watch it now. With the Spanish Town. Thank you guys for watching. You don't know your boy Jnel. Make sure you say when you like the video. You get to me and say like the video. Follow me on Instagram. Jnel_1. You get to me and say thank you guys for watching again. You don't know your boy Jnel. And I'm out.